Artificial Intelligence and Digital Transformation Specialist is a title that many dream to hold. It's the present and future career. A certificate and a training program are within your reach now. Through the training program that offered by HDTC Center in Dubai and Action to Action International Company, with the trainer Muhammad Al-Awad, an expert in the artificial intelligence and digital transformation, who accomplished many famous government projects and the most prominent experts in this field. The program is applied, internationally approved, and includes robot and its sciences, 3D printing techniques, virtual and augmented reality technologies, the science of big data analysis, cybersecurity, and others. Keep in mind, this is your chance to be one of the fourth industrial revolution's pioneers and the leaders of the digital transformation in the government and institutions or in the sector you work at. For registration and more information, please contact the following accounts.